Creating a Fiverr account is straightforward and allows you to either hire freelancers or offer your own services. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Fiverr account. 1. Visit Fiverr's homepage, go to fiverr.com. 2. Click Join, located at the top right corner. 3. Choose a sign-up method. I. Continue with email. 2. Continue with Facebook. 3. Continue with Google. 4. Continue with Apple. 4. Set your username and password. I. Username, choose carefully, it cannot be changed later. 2. Password, create a strong password for security. 5. Confirm your email. Fiverr will send a verification code to your email. Enter this code to activate your account. Note: initially, your account will be set up as a buyer-client account. Step 2. Activate your freelancer/seller account. To offer services on Fiverr, you'll need to activate your seller account. 1. Log into your Fiverr account. 2. Click on your profile picture, located at the top right. 3. Select Become a Seller from the drop-down menu. 4. Begin the onboarding process. 1. Watch 3 short videos about selling on Fiverr. 2. Review tips for creating a successful profile and common pitfalls to avoid. 5. Complete your profile. 1. Personal information, full name, profile picture, a clear image of yourself or your company logo, and a compelling description highlighting your skills and experience. 2. Languages, specify the languages you speak and your proficiency levels. 3. Professional information, detail your occupation, skills, education, certifications, and any relevant experience. 4. Phone verification, verify your account using your phone number. Note: providing accurate and detailed information enhances your credibility and increases the chances of attracting clients. Step 3. Create your first gig. A gig is a service you offer on Fiverr. To create one. 1. Navigate to Selling My Business Gigs. 2. Click Create a new gig. 3. Fill out the gig details. I. Title, clearly describe the service you offer. 2. Category and subcategory, choose the most appropriate options. 3. Search tags, add relevant keywords to help clients find your gig. 4. Scope and pricing, define your service packages, basic, standard, premium, and set prices accordingly. 5. Description and FAQ, provide a detailed description of your service and answer common questions. 6. Requirements, specify what information you need from the client to get started. 7. Gallery, upload images, videos, or documents showcasing your work. 8. Publish, once all sections are completed, publish your gig to make it live. Note: as a new seller, you can create up to 4 gigs. This limit increases as you progress through Fiverr's seller levels. Mobile phone additional tips. 1. Mobile access, while gig creation and profile setup are best done on a desktop, you can manage orders and communicate with clients using the Fiverr mobile app. 2. Profile optimization, regularly update your profile and gigs to reflect your latest skills and experiences. 3. Client communication, respond promptly to client inquiries to build a strong reputation. Frequently asked questions about Fiverr. Here are some frequently asked questions, FAQs, about Fiverr, organized for both buyers, clients, and sellers, freelancers. General FAQs. 1. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer services, called gigs, to clients worldwide, starting at $5, though pricing can go much higher. 2. Is Fiverr free to use? Yes, signing up and browsing Fiverr is free. Fiverr only charges a service fee when you make a purchase or a sale. 3. How does Fiverr work? Buyers search for services and hire freelancers. Sellers create gigs and get hired by clients. For buyers, clients. For how do I purchase a gig? 1. Search for a service. 2. Select the package, basic, standard, premium. 3. Click Continue and complete the order. 5. What payment methods are accepted? Fiverr accepts credit/debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and sometimes bank transfers, location dependent. 6. Can I contact the seller before ordering? Yes. Click Contact Seller on their profile to ask questions before placing an order. 7. What if I'm not happy with the delivered work? You can request a revision or open a dispute for a refund through Fiverr's Resolution Center. For sellers, freelancers. 8. How do I become a seller? 1. Create a Fiverr account. 2. Click Become a Seller. 3. Complete your profile and submit your first gig. 9. How do I get paid? Payments are made via PayPal, Fiverr Revenue Card via Payoneer, bank transfer, direct deposit for U.S. sellers. Funds become available 14 days after order completion, 7 days for top-rated sellers. For sellers, freelancers. 10. How many gigs can I create? New sellers, up to 4 gigs. Level 1, 10 gigs. Level 2, 20 gigs. Top rated, 30 plus gigs. 11. How do I improve my chances of getting orders? Create detailed, keyword optimized gigs. Add high quality images/videos. Provide excellent customer service. Respond quickly to messages. Communication and reviews. 12. Can I talk to a buyer/seller outside Fiverr? No. Fiverr prohibits communication outside the platform to protect both parties and ensure compliance with their terms. 13. How does the rating system work? After each completed order, both the buyer and seller can leave a star rating, 1 to 5. Written feedback. Ratings affect your search visibility and seller level. Seller levels and analytics. 14. What are Fiverr seller levels? 1. New seller. 2. Level 1 seller. 3. Level 2 seller. 4. Top-rated seller. Levels are based on performance metrics like response rate, order completion, on-time delivery, and positive ratings. Locked safety and trust. 15. Is Fiverr safe? Yes, Fiverr uses secure payment processing and offers a dispute resolution center to handle issues. Never share passwords or sensitive info. 16. Can I sell in more than one category on Fiverr? Yes, you can create gigs in multiple categories, e.g., graphic design, writing, video editing, as long as you have the skills to deliver quality work. 17. How long does it take to get my first order? It varies. New sellers may take days or weeks to get their first order. To speed things up. 1. Share your gig on social media. 2. Use Fiverr's promoted gigs, if eligible. 3. Optimize your title, tags, and description for search. 18. What are Fiverr's fees? 1. Buyers pay a service fee, usually $2 on orders up to $40, and 5% on orders above $40. 2. Sellers keep 80% of each order. Fiverr takes a 20% commission. 19. Can I pause or delete a gig? Yes. Go to Gigs under your seller dashboard. Choose the gig you want to pause or delete. You can pause, edit, or delete it at any time. 20. What is Fiverr Pro? Fiverr Pro is a premium tier where top-quality, vetted professionals offer services. To become a pro seller, you must apply and go through a strict verification process. To get such type of content, please like, share, comment, subscribe our channel, so that we get more inspiration to create new content.